Welcome back to Animal Appreciation. Let's appreciate some moths this week. First up, we've got the Atlas moth, which is one of the largest moth species and one of the largest bugs in general in the world. It lives in Southeast Asia. The Luna moth, which is one of my favorite moth species because I think they look really cool, and they live in North America all the way up even into Canada sometimes. Tiger moths, which I'm also a big fan of, also look really neat. They also live in North America, Canada, Europe, and they have a really neat adaptation to be able to avoid bats because bats like hunting these because they're lots of protein, they're good, but they can actually emit ultrasonic clicks to mess with the bat's echolocation. There's the hummingbird hawk moth, which is a species of hawk moth that through convergent evolution has evolved to fit a very similar niche to hummingbirds, but instead of having a beak to go into flowers, they have their proboscis, which is basically a tongue, and they can hover like hummingbirds, so they are basically hummingbird in moth form. Another very interesting hawk moth is the death's head hawk moth, which has a cool little skull on the back of it right there, which just looks cool as hell. There's the sloth moth, which apart from having a very fun name, only lives in the fur of sloths. It's the rosy maple moth, which is a very pretty moth that lives in North America. The silk moth, which is the adult form of the silkworms, you know, the ones that make silk, as one can probably guess, but this is what they look like grown up. This one is your new nightmare fuel. It is the Calyptra thalictri. I don't think I said that right, but it is a carnivorous moth. So it mainly eats like fruit and stuff, but it can use its proboscis. It has actually been observed in lab to actually suck the blood it has on people. So theoretically, this moth can suck blood. It is known as a vampiric moth. So have fun with that fact. Some moths can suck your blood.